Here are 7 mistakes top marketers avoid. Welcome to the Marketing Strategies channel. My name is Rosh. It is great to have you here. In this video, I'm talking about 7 mistakes that the top marketers tend to avoid. Well, actually, I have 8. I have a bonus one at the end. The first mistake is a common mistake. It's the belief that what we like is what our customer likes, or what we don't like, our customers don't like. For example, I often hear this in social media. Someone doesn't like Facebook, so they think their customers are not on Facebook, or they won't advertise on Facebook. Maybe they think their customers don't use search engines without any backing behind it, or maybe they don't use YouTube, so they won't advertise on YouTube. You can't base your marketing on your belief system or your biases. The next mistake top marketers avoid is to not talk to the sales team. The sales team is full of great information that you can use in your marketing. They are out on the street. They see the new trends. They can even walk into a room and spot your ideal customer. Well, who is that ideal customer? With that information, it can help you better market to sell your product and services. The next mistake to avoid is to think that everyone is your ideal customer. It's not true. You are better off finding a niche and expanding out before you start off on a mass scale. You may think everybody is the ideal customer, but actually there is an ideal customer, and you have to discover what is the persona of that person and start marketing to them immediately. The next mistake is to go big immediately. In other words, put all your eggs in one basket and expect a solid ROI rather than taking the time to test different things. Figure out what works and what does not, and scale up over time. The 5th thing top marketers avoid is the failure to not implement a retention campaign, a campaign to keep your current customers. It costs a lot of time and money to earn a new customer, and some businesses just leave that funnel wide open at the bottom. People just keep slipping through. They focus on bringing in new customers but forget about their current good customers. Having a good retention campaign can make your business more profitable and help you grow into the future. The next mistake that poor marketers make and great marketers avoid is to not have the proper resources to implement their marketing campaign. It takes time and money for a campaign to work. Even an excellent marketing campaign can fail if it doesn't have enough resources. And sometimes you need to do a lot of testing, so it takes time for even the best campaigns to get off the ground. So in other words, you don't want to just try it once or try it for a month and see if it works. You might as well just throw your money out the window. You need to look 3, 6 months, or a year and make sure you have enough funds to be consistent or even scale the campaign if it starts to work well. The 7th thing that good marketers don't do is ignore your old customers. Yeah, I know we talked about retention marketing, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about looking at your old customers for information, asking why are they old customers? How come they're not current customers? Why did they leave? And sometimes a good quality campaign addressing the right issues can bring many of those customers who are familiar with your brand back into the fold. Now here's that bonus thing great marketers don't fail to do, and that is starting your campaign, getting things off the ground to get the company moving, even if you start on a small scale to test ideas, to figure out what direction might be the right direction, discovering who is the perfect persona to start off with. There are a lot of things you can do immediately to improve your overall marketing, but to get your marketing off the ground, you have to start. So have you made any of these marketing mistakes? I certainly have. I'll list the ones I've made in the comments below. Hopefully you'll do the same thing. And hey, if you found this video valuable, make sure you like it. Give it a big thumbs up so people know it's a good video. And of course, if you don't want to miss a future upload, be sure to subscribe. And of course, hit the bell icon so you're notified when I go live on Mondays, noon Eastern Standard Time. Talk to you later.